Hi Rahel. Hi Saima. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Hi Faiza. Hello. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. Okay. So my name is Shamaila and I'm so delighted to tell you that this is our first live session that we are doing and it's an honor to have you all with us. Hello. Hi Usman. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Hi Aarti. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so let's get started. So we have a guest here. Her name is Aarti Makkar. She is a renowned makeup artist and she has made her presence on social media by showing her exceptional makeup skills. And yes, we are a fan of her. So today she'll be joining with us. So let me connect with her. 1 second.
Hi,
Hi
Shamila.
Aarti. Thank you so much for joining.
It's a pleasure. Honestly, it's a pleasure to be with you on your platform. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for bringing in such a beautiful concept to India.
Yeah, indeed, it is a practical solution for the millennial couple. Seriously.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I'm really, really glad. And this concept, I definitely would like to, know more.
Yeah,
And
sure.
before actually we I absolutely welcome all our viewers who are part of our session today. And you'll have to excuse my look because I have done one eye look and one is left, so
I
you'll have
can't
to
stop
just
staring you.
no, great. So yes, Shamila. So
Yeah, okay. So, first of all, I'd like to tell you about this concept. So, it's a very beautiful concept for our customers, like people who are getting married. So, they can create their own wedding web page and just to avoid getting duplicates gift. Like in a wedding, you get a ton of gifts. Like you can't even think of like you can get 100, like not say five, six of photo frames and say for example, a cup set. So I don't want to have five, six cups there. So I can just make my own wish list. The couple who are getting married, they can create their own wedding wish list and they can share
right.
it with their guests. And their guests, according to their budget, they can give them anything they want. And you won't believe that people can also give them a like honeymoon packages. Like they can do a group gifting and everyone together can gift a honeymoon package. Like imagine what else a couple will want if they'll get a
uh,
honeymoon package from, yeah.
what else? I think all the would-be brides and grooms should really thank you for bringing in such a revolutionary concept in the wedding industry. You know why? Because in this current scenario, sometimes we are so stuck what to give to our loved ones, dear ones, and you guys have come up with a solution where it's so easy. You have to just log into your site and just you have such beautiful array of brands where you can just pick and choose the gift cards of the most important thing is of the choice of the bride and groom, what they need, what they
Exactly,
desire. So that's the
exactly, exactly.
beauty. I think I'm spellbound. I am a makeup artist, so I'm going to share this beautiful concept definitely with all my to be brides. And
Yeah,
honestly, I knew this concept is prevalent abroad, but I was not
yeah,
aware that it is in India. So absolutely an amazing thing, and absolutely I think it's going to benefit a lot of couples, a lot of millennial couples who are getting married during this pandemic. And it saves a lot
yeah,
of hassle for the guest also. They don't have to go crowded markets to shop, and they save some of their time and effort. And it's absolutely very workable for with both the sides. So that's the
right,
beauty.
exactly,
Yes,
exactly. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you liked it.
amazing it is. I wish you
Okay,
loads of good luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So,
Most welcome.
Aarti, so what is the look that you are planning today? The most important question.
Uh, Shamila, yes, since we are on this live and we all know it's very difficult to dedicate a lot of time on, lives where our lives are so busy. So I just thought of, sharing a very quick, not even 5 minutes. I think it'll take less than that, a festive glam look. And trust me, I'm going to use my fingers and yes,
Oh,
less of
wow.
brushes. And I'm going to deliver this look because we are just, the wedding season is here and we have Karwa Chauth happening next week.
Yes,
And then
yes,
we
yes.
have so many, Diwali card parties, so many things lined up for the whole festive spirit is set in us. So just to, tune up and yes, it's a very easy look which you can ace. And I thought of bringing in that, easy, quick look for your viewers. So,
Okay.
without further ado, I think we can start.
Yeah, sure, sure. We can ask. And in between, viewers, you all can ask questions and Aarti will be answering your questions. Okay?
Why not? It'll be a pleasure. So, guys, I have made this look very easy and very quick. It can be done in many ways, but this is the simplest and easiest on the go kind of a look. I really hope you guys are going to, grab this because it's very simple and easy to do. So let's get going. I have already done, and
Yeah.
this I have put in some eye base and have
Okay.
packed it with the powder, right? So Shamila, I would just take my fluffy brush. This is my
Okay.
tapered fluffy brush, and I
Okay.
have taken any matte eyeshadow. This is from MAC. The name of
Okay.
this shadow is Sketch. So I'm just going
Okay.
to dip into this shadow and I am going to create a transition shade for myself. I hope you guys can see. It's so simple. Tap off the extra and
Okay.
land it on the outer corner of my eye, right? So
Okay.
this
On the
is where
outer
I
corner.
land. Yeah. And I'll do a wiper motion like a to and a fro and a to and a fro, where my eyes are also getting contoured because it's a matte brown shade. And alongside, my eyes are absolutely getting contoured. And this shade also gives a perfect, a blend to the whole look, what we are doing. So this is how you just move your brush to and fro and to and fro. It's very
Yeah.
easy. And you can see how this shade has created this depth. And it has hardly taken us few seconds. Now comes the next step, which is again very simple. You have to just take any strong pigment. I have taken Kiko pigment. They have got beautiful eyeshadows. This is a gold bling, and the name of this pigment is glitter powder number 4.
Okay.
So I am going to run this with my finger. You can
Okay.
see with my finger, because
Okay.
the beauty is, Shamila, that it has got a lot of, intensity. So anything which has
Okay.
got a lot of intensity and you are in a hurry, you want to just fix up the look and you want to get party ready. You don't have, time to even catch up with your brush. So this is the easiest way. Pack it on your
Okay.
finger
Okay.
and start running it on the eyelid, moving
Eyelid.
from the
Okay.
inner corner to the outer corner, packing it
Okay.
and
Okay.
moving it, right? Packing it and moving it, right? So this is how you can see how I've packed this glitter. It just took
Oh
me
my
few
God.
seconds practically,
Yeah.
right? So
Seriously. Seriously.
yeah, definitely it's got to do, Shamila, with the product output and intensity. But I
Okay.
must say that you can pick up any shade, but if you work with your finger, the it really creates this kind of a bling. The eyeshadow has to be a little blingy because we are doing a festive look. So why not, pack little extra and pack it on and just move it around the entire lid. So this is like
Okay.
we have
Okay.
done the second step. Now we are
Okay.
moving to the third step. So
Yeah.
any small flat brush,
Mm-hmm.
I am taking a pigment called Nylon from MAC. I am
Okay.
taking a very small, product on the flat brush. I'm going to lift up my brow and carve out my brow bone. You can see
Okay.
immediately
Yeah.
it has given a lifted effect to the eyes,
Facts.
right?
Yeah.
So same product, I'll run it on the inner corner, and that's
Enough.
all about. That's
Oh
all
my
about it,
God.
guys.
That's
Yes,
all. Oh my.
trust me. Yes, Shamila. Oh my God. Yes, I would say it's
I
oh my
never
God.
thought that I'll be able to do eye makeup so quickly. I don't think so. It's not even a 5 minutes makeup.
No,
Oh my
it
God.
isn't. But yes, we are finishing the look with the eyelash. So I have
Okay.
grabbed this eyelash
Oh
in
my
my
God.
hand, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to run it, like this, twist and turn. Why I do this? Because our eyelid is also semicircle, and
Yeah.
it helps to take that shape, and it really helps to set the eyelash on the, eyelid area. So we have to
Okay.
really make sure that we do this twist and turn. So we have done
Okay.
that.
Okay. Huh.
Eyelash,
Yeah.
yes, yes, it takes the shape of the, eye, because our eye is semicircle, so it sets in
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
it's the job of your lash curler. You grab your lash curler and you just roll up your real lashes so that they blend well with your fake lashes. So this is how you do it. Some
Okay.
people are not comfortable doing this, but if you do it, it's absolutely a magical tool. I
Okay.
absolutely
So.
recommend. So you can do it. It's absolutely not really mandatory, but you can or you cannot. It just really
Okay.
doesn't make a lot of difference. So I am just going to add a little bit of mascara.
Yeah.
You are taking very keen interest, Shamila. It seems
I love
you
makeup.
are a
I
makeup
can't,
lover.
but I'm
You are
very
a makeup
bad doing
lover.
it. You can see my eyebrows right now. One is big and one is small.
No, 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 no.
But
I,
I
I
love
see a
doing
lot of
makeup.
no, 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 no. I see a lot of symmetry. Come on, you've done it so beautifully. But
Thank you.
honestly, sometimes we really complicate simple things, and we, get into a lot of detailing. At the same time, small little things absolutely help us to master some simple looks, yet elegant, and yet they do justice with the, what we have in mind. So I have
Okay,
applied
okay.
the lash glue. The
Yeah.
lash glue needs to take some 30 seconds. In the meanwhile, hi Antara,
Yeah,
we can
we
take
can.
some queries. Yes.
Yeah, so we have a question. Thank you so much, Faiza. Question is, please recommend a good color corrector to hide under eye patches. Okay. Oh my God, I have a worst patches. So it'll help me.
Collect character, good one. So you can take one from Makeup Revolution. That's absolutely beautiful. Any orange color works as a great, color corrector. I use this MAC medium deep palette. It has got a brilliant orange character. So
Okay.
brand doesn't matter. Depends on your budget. You can go for MAC. You can go for Krylon. You can go for Makeup Revolution. The color has to be good. The product has to be absolutely orange in case you want
Okay.
to cover intense, concerns.
Okay. Okay. And thank you so much. And we have one more question.
Yeah.
And the name of the viewer is Sobia. So thank you, Sobia, for asking the question. And the question is how to hide pores with makeup. Pores. Okay.
Yeah, Shamila, there are, Sophia, there are many pore primers. Basically, Benefit makes it. I think now NYX makes it. All the brands they make it. So before you apply your makeup, put your moisturizer. Go ahead with the pore primers. They help you to shrink up your pores. And also apply eyes when you absolutely starting with your face, preparation. So eyes also helps to shrink up your pores. So that's something
Okay.
which will really help you.
Okay, okay. Acha, one more viewer, I don't remember the name. I'm so sorry. And she asked me what
No, it's
foundation
okay.
you
But
are
I'm
wearing right now. Okay, okay, you
what
can take
I'm
your
just
time.
fixing my lash also, Shomila, alongside because 30 seconds have passed by. Otherwise, it will get
Yeah, yeah,
dry.
take your time. Take your time. Please.
No worries. So I have done that with my hand, holding my fingers, fixing it. Yes, please
Hmm.
share the question. Yeah.
Yeah, which foundation you are wearing right now?
I am wearing a MAC Cosmetic shade NC35. That's my shade. So I'm wearing
NC35.
that.
I'll quickly note down the shade.
Please, 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 please.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, see, Shamila, we are done with the look, and it
Oh
never
my
took
God.
us more than what, 2, 3 minutes, not even 5 minutes.
Ye-
We mentioned in the creative we will do a 5 minute look. It is not even 5 minutes. We have,
Five.
knocked it out. We have knocked
Yes,
it
yes,
out.
yes. And it is looking amazing. Seriously, seriously, it's looking really amazing. There
Thanks,
is a
Shamila. But you know what?
hmm,
Eyelashes, they also add up a great deal. So you guys have to ensure that, if you are doing this look, ensure that you do put your lashes, because they add a lot of glam to the whole look. So that is
Okay,
completely,
okay. And if you can just recommend a good eyelashes.
yeah, Pack Cosmetics, they make good lashes.
Hmm.
But if you want to go
Okay.
drugstore, if you want to go, then there is this brand called Euro Paris. They make very beautiful
Euro
lashes.
Paris. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aarti,
pleasure,
for
pleasure.
joining with us. And the look is amazing. I can't even believe that we can
I'm
have this look in just less than
I'm
five
so
minutes.
glad. I'm so glad that you guys, I'm sure a lot of viewers, I can see a lot of hearts and a lot of love being, given to us. And
Yeah.
trust me, guys, it's not about this look. It's about, um, managing a lot of things. You are, when you're rushing out, sometimes you don't have that much of time. So this is a very quick look, and I hope you guys would have grabbed it. It's very simple and yet very effective in terms of the output. And I would recommend all my would-be brides who are watching this session to, register themselves with you guys, because this would definitely be a game changer for all the brides and grooms in terms of, receiving the gifts they desire. So this is what I have to say for you guys.
And yeah, and thank you so much, everyone. I'll share the page name, Aarti's page name, and you can go and follow her. And she has done her amazing work. Like I can't even stop scrolling down her page. And I'll
So
share the link and share the name of the name in the bio. And
I am so glad. Thank you, Shamila. It really means a lot to me. And also, we can, take up any query whatsoever. If in case there is any other Q&A, we can just go about doing that. If you feel that we can pick up some questions, why not?
okay, 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 sure, sure. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for joining. Now we are about to end this session, and again, we'll be coming up with a new session. So stay connected with us. Okay. Thank you,
Great. All the
everyone.
best to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure to be here
Thank you,
with you guys.
Aarti.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.